Every time I start it up, it's like a
Oh, it's just your starter. No biggie.
It kind of sounds like this.
Is that noise serious or just a simple fix?
Radiator leak.
You may not be able to tell, but the experts at AAMCO sure can. No matter what your car is doing, we'll check it for free.
So you're sure it's a and not a
Yes, it's definitely a
That's your transmission. I've diagnosed thousands of these. It's not serious.
Every time I let off the gas, it makes this kind of a... like that. Just like that.
Just your idle. It's a bit rough.
People who know go to AAMCO. AAMCO.